डी मॉर्गन थ्योरम क्या है, प्लस पे बार है, देन इंडिविजुअल मल्टीप्लाई बार. Okay, now we start NOR gate as a universal gate. So, dear students, I Rakesh Jain from Gyanwar University now going to teach you about how the NOR gate behave as a universal gate. Yeah, why the NOR gate is known as a universal gate? It is known as a universal gate because we can realize all other logic gates with the help of NOR gate. We can build NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate with the help of NOR gate. First of all, we should know about the basic symbol and the basic definition or truth table of the NOR gate. The basic symbol for the NOR gate is this one. NOR gate is just opposite of OR gate. Sorry, wait. So this is your NOR gate symbol in which there are two inputs. In which there are two inputs and one output. One input is your A, one input is your B, and the output is your Y. Okay, and what is the basic definition of a NOR gate? Any input is 1, output is 0. Any input is 1, output is 0. So when the inputs are 0 0, output is 1. Otherwise, when the input is 0 1 or 1 0 or 1 1, both three times, all the three times the output will be 0. So now how the NOR gate behave as a universal gate? So first of all, we just see how a NOR gate behave as a NOT gate. NOT gate. What is NOT gate? In case of NOT gate, we know NOT gate is also known as inverter, in which only one input is there and one output is there. Output is the complement of the input. Here we have a NOT gate only. Here we have a NOT gate. So how we, sorry, NOR gate. So how with this, with the help of this NOR gate, we can build a NOT gate? Very simple. Instead of two inputs, instead of these two inputs, just use a single input by connecting the both the inputs, by connecting these both inputs, and only provide a single input, only give a single input. I change the color so that you can understand where I do the change. So only one input is there, that is A. So the output Y becomes A bar. Y becomes now A bar. It becomes A bar. Okay. So output is just the complement of input. So output is just the complement of input. Now this is a output which is just the complement of the input. Okay, if input is A, then output is A bar. It means the output is complement of input. If you give it 1, then the output will be 0, and if the input is 0, then the output will be 1. So this is what NOR gate as a NOT gate, right? Now the second one is how a NOR gate can behave as a OR gate. How a NOR gate behave as a OR gate. Right? We know that what is the difference between a NOR gate and a OR gate. If we talk about the symbol, then a bubble at the output is there. Here a bubble is at the output, right? If we talk about the basic definition, then in case of OR gate, any input is 1, output is 1. But in case of NOR gate, which we have now, any input is 1, output is 0. It means NOR gate is just opposite of the OR gate. So if I want to build a OR gate with the help of NOR gate, it means I have to complement the output of NOR gate. Then I will again regain the OR gate output. So I know this is my OR gate, NOR gate, this is my NOR gate, this is the symbol of NOR gate, in which the output Y is equal to, A plus B having a bar, A plus B having a bar. Yes. Now I want to build a OR gate with the help of this NOR gate. And I know Just a few minutes ago I told you about how the NOR gate as NOT gate behave, means output is complement of input. So if we connect these two inputs, so I use a NOT gate at the output, I use a NOT gate at the output of NOR gate, then what will happen? Then the output will be the complement of input, then the output is complement of the input. And what is the input? Now the input is A plus B bar. So I connect this with this. Sorry, first of all I just move towards upside. Okay, now see this circuitry. Now we connect the output of a NOR gate with the NOT gate. Output of a NOR gate with the NOR gate behave as a NOT gate. The NOR gate connected with a NOT gate, realization of NOR gate. Then the output is what? The output is just opposite of input. So what is the input? Input is A plus B bar. So what is its opposite? What is its complement? That is, the bar will be removed on the simple A plus B. And this is the equation of which gate? Y is equal to A plus B is the equation of OR gate. It means by using two NOR gate, in which first NOR gate is simple NOR gate and second NOR gate is NOR gate as a NOT gate, then by connecting these two we will find out a OR gate output. So this will behave as a NOR gate as a OR gate. So by connecting two NOR gate in this manner we can realize a OR gate. By connecting two NOR gate we can realize a OR gate. Okay, now we want to build a AND gate with the help of NOR gate. So see very carefully. NOR gate is AND gate. So now how the NOR gate behave as a AND gate? So what is the NOR gate output? I know I have a NOR gate. It means the output, if two inputs A and B are there, then the output is A plus B having a bar. And I want to build a AND gate. So what is the AND gate output? The AND gate output is Y is equal to A dot B. Y is equal to A dot B. So how we can build? First of all, I just check NOR gate as a NOT gate. Two NOR gate as a NOT gate. One having an input A, so the output is A bar. Okay. The second B, so that the output is B bar. Here the input is B instead of A, and yes, see the input is B. Now in this case the input is B, so the output will be B. Okay. Now connect these two with one more simple NOR gate. We connect this with a simple NOR gate in which one input will behave as a bar and the second input behave as a B bar, because these lines directly connected to this. See this one. Now see, there are two outputs of two NOR gate behave as a NOT gate. One is A, so the output is A bar. One is having an input B, because it behaves as a NOT gate, so output is B bar. Now A bar and B bar are the two inputs of a NOR gate, and we know that what is the output of a NOR gate? Whatever the input, just add them. Whatever the input, first of all just add them. So here the inputs are A and B, A and B bar. Here the two inputs of this NOR gate is A bar and B bar. Having a bar over there, right? Why? Because this is a NOR gate. This third one is also a NOR gate. So what is the equation of a NOR gate? Whatever the input of this NOR gate, just add them and then build a bar over there. So here the two inputs of this third NOR gate, here the two inputs of this third NOR gate is A bar and B bar. So first of all just add them. So A bar plus B bar, and then put a bar over there. So put a bar over there. So now see, according to the De Morgan theorem, here we find Y is equal to A bar plus B bar having a bar, A bar plus B bar having a bar. And De Morgan theorem states that if two things are in addition having a bar, then just split them with multiplication sign, means dot, and individually bar there. So first thing is A bar, second thing is B bar. So just split the, and individually they are barred, So now we know that bar to bar is cancel out. So y is equal to A dot B only. So at the output I will find y is equal to A dot B. Actually this output is what now becomes y is equal to A dot B. And this is a output, this is the equation of which logic gate? This is the equation of AND logic gate. So now with the help of these three NOR gate, we build a AND gate. Now with the help of these three NOR gate, we build a AND gate. Now I am going to teach you about how a NOR gate behave as a NAND gate. So first of all, once again repeat these three gates. We just connect both the inputs of a NOR gate, then it will behave as a NOT gate. We use a NOR gate, and at the output if we connect a NOR gate as a NOT gate, then this is known as NOR gate as a OR gate. If we use three NOR gate in which first NOR gate and second NOR gate behave as a NOT gate with inputs A and B, so the output will be A bar and B bar respectively, and then they will behave as the input of the third NOR gate, then the final output will show you an equation of AND gate. So this circuitry is known as NOR gate as a AND gate. Okay, now I just save this file, and in next page, because this circuitry will be in our use, okay, I just copy this one. Now see, kindly wait. Now we have to see how a NOR gate behave as the fourth realization, NOR gate as a NAND gate. How a NOR gate behave as a NAND gate. To first of all, we build a NOR gate as AND output will be converted into complement form, means NAND, right? So we just take that output, take the same circuitry, this one NOR gate as a AND gate. We just take this circuitry, NOR gate as a AND gate, and then just paste here. So this one is what? NOR gate as a AND gate. Now I want NOR gate as a AND gate, NOR gate as a NAND gate. So just to complement this output, and I know that complement is with the help of inverter, so just this output will be given to a, NOR gate in which both the inputs are connected together, so behave as a yes. So I use one more NOR gate which behave as an inverter. So now this will generate your final output. This is not your output actually. I remove this one because we have already proved that here the equation is A dot B. Now if I put this A dot B, the output of a AND gate here, to the fourth NOR gate which behave as a NOT gate, then the output will be complement of the input. And what is the input? Input is A dot B. So the output is complement, and it means A dot B having a bit. So first of all, I realize NOR gate as a AND gate, then the output will be given to a NOT gate, NOR gate as a NOT gate. Then we will finally find out NOR gate as a NAND gate. I have to use only the NOR gate for the total realization. So first NOR gate behave as a NOT gate, so input is A, output is A bar. The second NOR gate behave as a NOT gate, so the input is B, output is B bar. Now with this A bar and B bar, I connected them in another NOR gate. So the output is just the addition of the input having a complement. So y is equal to A bar plus B bar having a bar. So by the De Morgan theorem, I prove that y this will be A dot B. This is the output of this third NOR gate output is the output actually of AND gate. Now just I use here a fourth NOR gate which behave as a NOT gate. So the output of this fourth NOR gate will be complement of the input. So input is A dot B. So the output will be A dot B having a bar. And I know that this circuitry is of this total circuitry, this output is of NAND gate. A dot B having a bar is a NOR gate, and the fourth one NOR gate again as a NOT gate. Then with the help of these four NOR gate we can realize a NAND gate. We can realize a NAND gate. Okay. Now I am going to explain you, see very carefully, NOR gate as a this one. Okay. Now I am going to realize you first the NOR gate as a XNOR gate and then XOR gate. Why? Or first see the XOR gate and then XNOR gate. Okay, first of all just see the XOR gate, NOR gate as a XOR gate. Okay. Now to realize this NOR gate as a XOR gate, first of all we just take two NOR gate behave as a NOT gate in which one input is A, one input is B. So the output will be A bar and B bar. So see this circuitry. First of all, this is a NOR gate behave as a NOT gate. Okay, and one more NOR gate behave as a NOT gate. So this one is one more NOR gate behave as a NOT gate. So if the input is A here, will be A bar and B bar. Then the output will be A bar and B bar. Now connect these two outputs with third NOR gate, two input NOR gate. Okay. Now we just connect this with the two input NOR gate. I use one another NOR gate. Okay. Now these two lines are connected as a input of to this NOR gate. Now what is the output of this? As I have already been proved that this will behave as a AND gate circuitry. So now at the output I will find out A dot B. This is a circuitry of NOR gate as a AND gate till now. Okay. Now I connect these two inputs A and B also as a two inputs of a NOR gate directly. So I also use one more NOR gate, two input NOR gate. I also use one more two input NOR gate in which first input is connected with the A. I change the color so that you will understand the connection. Yes. one input is connected to this B and one input to this A. Okay, so now A and B are connected. Okay, I use a straight line instead of this time of करनी, so see carefully. One is this, one is this, and with the help of this green color I show you the jumper wire. Okay, you understand. The second input is connected with the B, one input is connected with the B and one input is connected with the A. So the output of this is, simple NOR, because this will behave as a simple NOR gate. So A plus B having a bar. A plus B having a bar. Now these two outputs will be connected with next NOR gate, two input NOR gate. So we know that two input NOR gate is this one. Now see very carefully, these two outputs will be connected here. These two outputs will be connected here. Okay, now these two outputs will be connected here. Now we have to check what is the output, because we know that what is the output of XOR gate, A B bar plus A bar B. Now we check this output is equal to that or not. Okay, this is a NOR gate. So what is the output of this final NOR gate? First input plus second input having total bar. So this is my final output. So I realize here this will be Y is equal to, first input is A dot B, okay, then second plus second input is, I just put it in bracket, A plus B having a bar already, okay. This is my second input. So first input plus second input having a bar means this one, okay, having a bar. Now I check the result by applying the De Morgan theorem. I will check. So now see, Y is equal to, two things are there, first is AB and second one is A plus B bar having a plus sign in between them. So what is, both the two things will be written having separate bar, So first thing is, I move it here so you will see easily. Okay, now see, so first thing is A dot B. So write down the first thing having a bar, individual bar, so having an individual bar. Then the plus will be converted into dot, the addition will be converted into multiplication. Write down the second thing in bracket we write down A plus B having a bar, this is the second thing, A plus B having a bar, then also having a separate bar. So then also having a separate bar. Once again I repeat, De Morgan theorem states that write down the first with bar, second thing with bar. The plus will be converted into a dot. So here the first thing is AB and second thing is A plus B bar. So write down those two things separately having a dot instead of plus. So first thing is A dot B, plus will be converted into a dot now. Then write down A plus B bar, okay, then put bar in both, on both those things. So first thing A dot B having a bar and second thing A plus B bar having a bar, okay. Now see what will happen. So Y is equal to, now two things, first is A, second one is B, two things, two inputs are there, one is A, one is B, having a dot in between them and then having a bar. So again apply the De Morgan theorem in the first A dot B bar. So write down first thing having a bar plus second thing having a bar. So the dot will be converted into plus and A and B both having an individual bar, okay. Now see the second thing. So dot, what is the second thing? A plus B having bar to bar, so bar to bar will be cancel out from each other, only A plus B you will find. Okay, now multiply, the first A bar will be multiplied with A whenever x multiply by x bar is just the complement of x. So if x is 1, x bar is 0. If x bar is 1, then x is 0. So multiplication will result in a 0. So A bar dot A will be 0. Now A bar B, the A bar will be multiplied with B. So A bar B, then plus, so I write down first A bar B. A bar B, then plus B bar multiplied by A. So we can say B bar A or we can say AB bar, both are same. Then B bar multiplied by with B, so that is 0. So that is 0. So now we find out the final answer as in this blue color bracket, y is equal to A bar B plus AB bar, and this is equal to which equation? This is equal to which equation? This is the equation of XOR gate, AB bar plus A bar B, or we can say A bar B plus A B bar, both are same. So this is a circuit of how a NOR gate behave as a XOR gate. Now how a NOR gate behave as a XOR gate, right? So with the help of 5 NOR gate we can convert a NOR gate into XOR gate. When we talk about the NAND gate realizations, NAND gate as a universal gate, then we see that to build a XOR gate we use 4 NAND gate, but here to build a XOR gate we use 5 NOR gate, right? Now we have to see the last conversion, NOR gate as a XNOR gate. So first of all, just see very carefully. Once again I repeat this page. So NOR gate as a NAND gate. So first of all I build a NOR gate as a AND gate. So I use 3 NOR gate. First as a NOT gate. So input is A, output is A bar. Second as a NOT gate, then input is B, output is B bar. Then the third NOR gate, so the output will be A dot B. Then the final fourth NOR gate I use as a NOT gate. So in output is just complement of the input. Input is A dot B, so output is A dot B bar. So with the help of 4 NOR gate I realize a NAND gate with the help of a NOR gate. Now see the fifth one, NOR gate as a XOR gate, NOR gate as a XOR gate. So to find out to realize the XOR gate with the help of NOR gate, I use here 5 NOR gate, in which first NOR gate having input A and the second NOR gate having input B behave as a NOT gate, NOR gate as a NOT gate. So both the inputs are connected to then connected with the input A. Both the input terminal of second NOR gate puts of a NOR gate. So the output of the third NOR gate will be A dot B. The inputs A and B also connected with a NOR gate. So if a NOR gate inputs are A and B, then the output will be A plus B having a bar. Now these two output lines, one is A dot B and one is A plus B having a bar, connected to a final NOR gate. And we know that what is the output of a NOR gate? In just first input plus second input, then having a bar. So here the first input is A dot B and second input is A plus B bar. So just add them and then having a bar. Now to realize, to simplify this, we use De Morgan theorem. So De Morgan theorem states that if there are two things add with each other, just convert them, multiply in multiplication form, yani the plus will be converted into a dot, and both the things having individual bars. The first thing is AB, that is A dot B, so I put a bar over there, then plus will be converted into a dot. Then the second thing is A plus B bar, so I just put a bar over there, okay. So now when I separate them, A dot B bar and the second thing is A plus B bar having a bar, okay, individually bar. So bar to bar will be cancel out those, so that the second thing will be A plus B, and the first thing A dot B bar, again I apply a De Morgan theorem, so the dot will be converted into a plus and both A and B having a bar. So A bar plus B bar. Now I multiply them, so I will find out a final output as A bar B plus A B bar, or we can say A B bar plus A bar B, and this is equal to XOR gate. This is a this output equation is equal to XOR equation. So this is NOR gate as a XOR gate. Now we see finally NOR gate as a XNOR gate, and then our NOR gate as a universal gate topic will be completed. So now I am going to tell you about how a NOR gate will behave as a XNOR gate. NOR gate behave as a XNOR gate. So see very carefully. Now NOR gate, next one is NOR gate as XNOR gate. NOR gate is XNOR gate. Okay. Now how to convert this NOR gate as a XNOR gate? So first of all, take to NOR gate in which one input of both the NOR gate are connected together and the second input are separately connected such that to the inputs A and B. So I am telling you, this is my NOR gate, this is my NOR gate in which two inputs are there. Okay. Similarly, this is my one more NOR gate in which two inputs are there. Connect the one input to each other. Connect one input to each other. Okay. And then these two inputs are connected separately with the two inputs. The one input is A and the second input is B. One input is A and one input is B. Now one more XOR NOR gate, one more NOR gate in which the inputs are connected also with this A and B. So one input is A, one input is B, and the output connected directly with this common line, right? So first of all, we just see if there are two inputs. First of all, we talk about first NOR gate. So one input is A, one input is B. So what will be the output? As we know from the NOR gate output is A plus B having a bar. Output is A plus B having a bar. One input. And what is the second input? Second input is this A plus B bar. It consists of two inputs. One line is connected with the A and one line is connected with this A plus B bar. So what will be the output here? So the output will be first thing plus second thing having a total bar. The first thing is A. B bar is the second thing. Okay. So first thing plus second thing having a total bar. So this having a total bar. So this will be here. Okay. Similarly, if we talk about the third, yes. So what will be the output here? What is the two inputs? One input is B and one input is, you can consider anyone as 1 or 2, don't take attention about this, that the first line is the upper one, second is the bottom one. No, anyone. So one is connected with the B, so one input is B and one more input is, because connected here, so A plus B having a bar. So what will be the output? First input plus second input, let the first input is B and second input is the same, A plus B having a bar. So first input plus second input having a total bar. Okay, so these are two outputs of the second and third NOR gate. Now they will be connected to a final NOR gate. They will connected to a final NOR gate. So they will be connected to a final NOR gate. Okay, so I connected it here. I take a long line so that you will understand. Okay, now they will be connected to a final NOR gate. One more NOR gate we use. This one is the fourth NOR gate. Okay, then I will find out the output, which will be equal to XNOR gate, that is AB plus A bar B bar. Now we check. Okay, first of all, see this fourth NOR gate. See this fourth NOR gate realization. Okay, so to simplify this line, I am showing here this. I am simplifying it here, and see, I am simplifying it here. Okay, so this is what by the De Morgan theorem, two things with addition to each other having a bar, then De Morgan theorem states that write down those two things separate converted into a dot. The plus in between those two things will be converted into a bar. First thing is this A, and second thing is A plus B bar. So first is A, then plus will be converted into a dot, and the second thing is A plus B, okay, having a bar. Okay, so first of all write down those two things, then put individual bars there. So first is A bar and second is A plus B bar having a bar, and the plus will be converted into a dot. So I put a dot here. Okay, now what will happen? So this first will be same, the first will be same, then this what will happen, then A bar dot, bar to bar will be cancelled out, we better know this. So A plus B having a bar to bar, so this bar to bar will be cancelled out, on only A plus B we will have. This bar to bar will be cancelled out from each other, this bar to bar will be cancelled out from each other, and we only have A plus B. So what will be this? Now multiply this A bar inside. So first input is A bar dot A. So A bar multiply with A, that will be 0. Then A bar B. So A bar B only we will have. A bar B we will only have. Okay, so we only have A bar plus B. Okay, so it will provided at here. So this will be a one input of this fourth, because this is equal to, this A plus B bar having a total bar will be equal to A bar B. So one input fourth NOR gate is A bar B. Similarly, with the realization of B plus A plus B having a bar, a total bar, we will find out B bar A, or we can say AB bar, and total bar we will simplify it into A bar B. Similar to that, this second one, this which I mentioned with this black color here, this one, this B plus A plus B bar having a total bar, we will simplify it, then we will find out AB bar. So what will be the final output? Now we see here, this this blue color I am showing you the final output here. So what will be the final output? The final output is first input. First input is what? A bar B. First input is what? A bar B. The first input of this fourth NOR gate plus second input of this fourth NOR gate. Second input is what? Second input is what? A B bar. A B bar. First input plus second input first input plus second input having having a total bar, having a total bar. Okay, so now this will be the output. Now we will realize it, we will simplify it. So see, y is equal to, two things are there, one is a bar b and one is a b bar. So first of all, write down separately, the plus in between them will be converted into a dot, and both those two things having individual bar. So first thing is a bar b, so I write down this a bar b, then plus will be converted into a dot with the help of De Morgan theorem. Then write down the second thing is a b bar, and then mention separate bar over there, so separate bar over here and separate bar over here. Okay, I just move it from this side so you will understand. Okay, this is here. Now again apply the De Morgan theorem over there, two things in first case and two things in second case. So C in bracket, first of all the first thing, a bar and b, and it means dot is there, multiplication is there. So first of all write down separately. So first is write down separately a bar, and this dot will be converted into a plus. Then write down the second thing, that is b. A bar will be barred and this b will be barred. Okay, then there is a dot in between them, so just write down dot, and then write down the second thing, a and b bar. So first thing is a, then dot will be converted into a plus, and then b bar. Okay, first thing is a and then b bar. Okay, so then individually bar, so first a bar, then b bar to bar, individually bar them. Now see this one, I just move this to the upper side so that you will understand. Okay, I just move it. Now see, bar to bar will be cancel out, bar to bar will be cancel out. So first a bar to bar will be cancel out and it will be a, and second plus b bar, plus b having a bar as it is, so b bar having a bar, then dot will be there as it is, then a bar plus bar to bar of b is cancel out, a bar, so I put the bar over there, then bar to bar of b is cancel out. Okay, now see, this one will be a plus b bar dot a bar plus b. Now when I multiply, what I will see, I will find out final answer. A dot a bar is 0, then a multiply by with b, so ab, then plus a bar b bar multiply with b is 0, so then, okay, so we find out ab plus a bar b bar. And now this is the output of which equation of XNOR gate, ab plus a bar b bar. This is XNOR gate. So what we will finally find out, we will finally find out y is equal to ab plus a bar b bar. So I put it copy here also, so y I find out at the output ab plus a bar b bar. So this is a circuit, and this is the simplification of how a NOR gate will behave as a XNOR gate, how a NOR gate behave as a XNOR gate. So I told you once again, I am going to show you all the three slides. In the first slide I told we start the topic NOR gate as a universal gate. So first we convert NOR gate as a NOT gate by connecting both the inputs together. Then in second NOR gate as a OR gate circuitry, we use two NOR gate to realize a AND gate with the help of NOR gate. So NOR gate as a AND gate, we use three NOR gate. Then No, in case of NOR gate as a NAND gate, we use four NOR gate. Then to realize the XOR gate with the help of NOR gate, so NOR gate as a XOR gate case, we use 5 NOR gate.